Oh well, that was good. That saved it to the end. Oh, 100x is there. Of course, that would have been pretty nice. 50x. Oh, bonus!
Nice,
Bonus!
nice.
25-year bet, guys! Come on now, be good. 100x would be so nice already. But 50x, because I've seen those fucking total zero bonuses. No, where was that? 10x would have been nice start there. Ei oo pudottu Tom. Eihän mä muuten vois pelata tällaisella betillä. Yes! Yes! 24x and the retrigger. $8x, good. 200 euro more and it's 50x. Well, there we go, over 50x already. Come on, give me the retrigger. Give me the retrigger now. It would be so nice to get.
Come on. Oh fuck!
Ah!
No. Oh fuck, that's 100x. With 200 something.
Yes! Boom! 200x! 5k! Hello YouTube! Boom! And a retrigger. What a timing to put the bet.
5K.
Yeah, I said 200x. Damn! What a bet increasing time. Cash out incoming. Come on. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Oh dear! Fuck, there it was. Last spin. Well, I really can't complain this bonus.
Really nice.